Hi friends, welcome to our channel. If you like the video, please subscribe, share and like. So today we will see the topic D-value. In D-value we will see first the definition of D-value, second example of D-value, third the calculation of D-value. Now definition of D-value. We'll see what is the definition of D-value. D-value means decimal reduction time. Means it is the time required to achieve a log reduction of a viable population at given condition, like for example temperature. Now this looks little confusing. When we'll go through the examples, it will be more clear and you will understand what is the D-value more clearly, right? So we'll see the calculation, D-value calculation. So D-value calculation we can do in two ways. 90% reduction of viable bioburden or survival of 10% viable bioburden. So for example, initial population we have 1000 cells. 90% reduction means it will be 900, right? So hence viable population should be 100. So what is the D-value now? The time requires to reduce the bioburden from 1000 to 100 is called D-value. Or survival of 10% bioburden is same, initial population is 1000, survival is 10%, so we'll get 100. So the time required to reduce the bioburden from 1000 to 100, from here you see 1000 to 100 is called D-value, means it is a 1 log reduction. So D-value generally indicates with temperature. Example, we have done sterilization at 121 degrees centigrade. 1 log reduction requires 3 minutes. Then the D-value will be expressed as D121, means D-value at 121 degrees centigrade is 3 minutes. Why this temperature? Means here we are mentioning D121 because the temperature of sterilization, if it change, the D-value will also change. If the temperature is more than 121, the D-value means 1 log reduction will take lesser time, so D-value calculation will change. If the temperature is less, then to achieve 1 log reduction it will take more time, so D-value will also change. Hence the D-value at a specific temperature is very important. That's why always D-value expressed with the temperature. Okay, so now we'll see how to calculate D-value, right? So for D-value we can calculate in 3 possible ways. One is log sheet, one is by using spreadsheet, another one is with mathematical equation. Now one by one we'll see. We'll take one example. See, find the D-value when sterilize it at 121 degrees centigrade. So initial population we have taken 10 to the power 6. After 5 minutes of sterilization, population will be 10 to the power 5, and so on. 10 minutes, 15 minutes and 20 minutes it will be 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 3 and 10 to the power 2. Right? Now if we take our example in a log sheet, we have to find the log of viable organism first. So here you can see 10 to the power 6 log will come 6, 10 to the power 5 log will come 5. I have taken a very simple example so that you can understand, but by using a log table or using a spreadsheet you can find out the log very easily. Now when you put these log values in the log sheet, we will find a straight line. So here we have taken the log in the y-axis and time in x-axis. Okay, So now we want to see 1 log reduction, right? So now 1 log reduction is 4 to 3 or 5 to 4 or 6 to 5, right? So see where we will get the 4. Here is the 4. So where we get, what is the time required to get the 4 log reduction? 10 minutes, right? Now I need to find the 3. Where is the 3? Here is the 3. So when we'll get the 3 log reduction? It is in 15 minutes. So now this is the time required to reduce 4 log to 3 log, means 1 log reduction. So D value will get the difference between this and this, that is 5 minutes. So for the given example at D121 is 5 minutes. Fine. Now we will see with the spreadsheet. Okay, we'll take one spreadsheet. Just wait. Yeah, it's open. Now see, sterilization time is this. In the example, this is a viable organism, and here we got the log, as we explained you previously as well. Now we have to get the slope first. Now how we will get the slope? You press equals to, then write slope, then put a bracket, then in y-axis you need the log, right? Log, comma, in x-axis you need this time, and hit the enter button. We will get -2. So what is D value? D value is nothing but inverse of slope, means -1 divided by slope. Okay, press the enter button, you will get 5. Here also we got D at 121 degrees centigrade is 5 minutes, right? I will not save this. Okay, now next is mathematical equation. So for mathematical equation we need a formula. What is that formula? dt is equal to t divided by log a minus log b. Now we'll see what denotes to t. Small t is specific temperature, as I said, 121 degrees centigrade or 134 or 130, 150, anything. Now a time, t is time of sterilization is denoted by t. A is the initial population, B is the population after sterilization. Now this is our problem what we are solving till now. Okay, now how we'll do calculation? dt is equal to t divided by log a minus log b. Now we'll see in the initial population is 10 lakhs, sorry. So log of 10 lakhs is 6, and after 20 minutes of sterilization it is 100. So log of 100 is 2. So after 20 minutes of sterilization, log a minus log b is 6 minus 2 is equal to 20 divided by 4, which gives us 5. Okay, here also we got the calculated d value is 5 minutes. Okay, again dt is t by log a minus log b. So if I take sterilization time as a 10 minutes, so it will come t, sterilization time is 10 minutes, initial population is 10 lakh, it is log 6, and after 10 minutes of sterilization it is 10,000, is 4, log is 4, 6 minus 4 is 2, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So here also we got d value as a 5 minutes at 121 degree centigrade. So this is end of the video today. Thank you. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe our channel for upcoming videos. If you want to know anything or if you have any query, please write me in comment box. Thank you.